Want to spend less time on your bookkeeping? Create recurring transactions to automate transactions that happen regularly. Any transaction that repeats every week or every month for the same amount can be made recurring. You can make rent recurring. If you've got a business like a martial arts studio where customers pay a monthly membership fee, you can make invoices recurring. Transactions that have different amounts every time, like utility and cell phone bills, don't make good recurring transactions. Here's how you create a recurring transaction. Start a check like you always do. Fill out the check exactly the way you want QuickBooks to do it each month. Click Make Recurring. Give the transaction a good name, one you'll recognize. Choose Scheduled as the type. Enter the number of days in advance you want QuickBooks to create the check. If it's an electronic payment, enter 0. Next comes the interval. Enter the actual date this check is due. Then, enter the start date. In this case, that's the first month you want to cut a rent check. And enter the end date. In this case, the end of your current lease. Finally, review the whole check to make sure everything's correct. Then, click Save Template. Well, now what? When QuickBooks creates this check, a message appears. You still need to print out the check. But what happens if something changes, say your landlord raises your rent? Go to Recurring Transactions from the Gear menu. You can edit or delete any recurring transaction here. Now it's your turn. Enter a recurring transaction and watch QuickBooks start doing the work for you.